Where to file one-party divorce petition in Bangalore. In Bangalore, India, you can file a divorce petition in the District Family Court, which is located in Bengaluru, Bengaluru. It has jurisdiction over your area of residence. However, before filing a divorce petition in Bengaluru, you need to understand the basic information required to file a divorce. Here are the steps to help you determine the appropriate court and file your divorce petition. 1. Residency requirement. Residential requirement is the most essential need that you should have to file a divorce petition here. So, make sure you meet the residency requirement. In India, for filing a divorce petition, either you or your spouse should have been residing in the area where you plan to file for at least 6 months immediately before filing the petition. It means, it should be your or your spouse's native place of permanent residence, or it should be your or your spouse's workplace, or because of any valid reason, you or your spouse residing in the city for a long time, such as for higher education, for business purpose, etc. Likewise, you need to arrange residential proof. 2. Determine jurisdiction. Identify the district family court that has jurisdiction over your residential area. The Family Court of Bangalore is located in the Srishtedar Family Courts, Nyayadegala Complex, Siddha Yawa Road, Bengaluru, Bengaluru 5,60,027. 3. Obtain the necessary forms. Thirdly, you need to visit the court and obtain the required forms. These forms may include the divorce petition, affidavit, and other supporting documents. 4. Complete the forms. Fill out the divorce petition and related forms completely and accurately. Include all necessary details, such as the grounds for divorce, information about both spouses and details about any children or properties involved. 5. Attach supporting documents. Depending on your case, you may need to attach supporting documents, such as marriage certificates, proof of residence, photographs, and any other evidence related to your divorce. 6. Filing fee. Pay the requisite court filing fee, which varies depending on the nature of your case and the relief sought. You can inquire about the fee at the court or check the official website for fee details. 7. Submission. Submit the completed divorce petition and supporting documents, along with the filing fee, to the appropriate family court. Most importantly, make sure to keep copies of all documents for your records. I repeat, never forget to keep copies of all documents that you are submitting for your records. 8. Acknowledgement. Once you've filed the divorce petition, the court will provide you with an acknowledgement or receipt as proof of submission. 9. Follow court procedures. After filing your divorce petition, you will need to follow the procedures outlined by the court. This may involve attending court hearings, responding to notices, and participating in mediation or settlement discussions, if required. Now, the procedure as mentioned above sounds very simple and easy, but the reality is not like this. It is very lengthy and complex process and may vary depending on the specifics of your case. Therefore, you essentially need a legal expert assistance to ensure a smooth and lawful divorce process in Bangalore. So, for any such swift assistance, you can write to us at mplegalfirm@gmail.com.